Hello, everyone! Today, I want to show you how to build our text rewriter template from scratch. This tool is perfect for instantly rewording any text while keeping the original meaning intact. And there's a demo video linked in the description below if you'd like to see it in action. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Next, we'll connect the prompt component, which is configured to rewrite the text, ensuring that the original meaning remains intact. A sample prompt is provided in the description for easy customization. We should also add the chat history to the prompt so that our chatbot remains context-aware. After that, we'll add the text generator component, which produces a revised version of the text based on the input. You can even keep the conversation going to make additional tweaks until you're happy with the final output. Finally, we link it to the output component so you can view your rephrased text instantly. That's it. We've successfully built the text rewriter template. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.